Hey, everybody, what's up? Can you believe the eighth one that, look, I've been around for over 43 years, and I'm telling you, I've seen a lot. But you know, the one thing I'll tell you, I have never seen what gold has done. Forget silver, gold. Okay? Do you see this push up here in gold? Right here. Do you see this? It freaking exploded 100 points higher, 98 points higher, and then the next bar, look what it did. It dropped 70, and ultimately from here to here it dropped 120. This is insane. Absolutely insane. Okay? Um and if you look at the daily, you can see we're about 600. So basically in 6 days, 7 days, we've rallied from 4,800 to 5,600. Pretty insane, if you ask me. Pretty insane, if you ask me. So again, I just want to say that this is completely insane. All right. Um. Okay. Also, let's see here. What else here? Parabolic. Absolutely, it's been parabolic. So, how's everybody doing today? Just like to see this one gap get filled. About what, 200 points lower here. This is the big one, 51. Oof. If this 51.30, 51.30. I'd love to see it. 51.30. How's everybody doing tonight, please? My funded futures, the best prop firm out there, everybody. Again, we're going to do 10 10 giveaways tonight. But I just want all of you to understand I just want all of you to understand that let me see here. Just give me a second here. I just want all of you to understand that we're you need to fill out a form. You need to go into the link and fill out, hey, Stephen Moore, how are you? Silver, Marcini, how are you? How to join the lottery. You need to go into My Funded Futures and create an account. Okay? You need to create an account. Denny, my chart's not up. People are saying, if you can bring my chart up on My Funded Futures, please. Thank you, my brother. Yes, sir. Oh, Shushin, from your lips to my ears. You have no idea. From your lips. Is it up now, the chart? Can everybody see the chart? Can everybody see the chart now? Please, anybody? Mikey Jacques, can you help me out here? Okay, thank you. So at least somebody can help me here. Leave it to my buddy Mikey Jacques, the best. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jennifer. This gold gets down to the probably 54.94 to 55.02. I probably would take a scalp long on the gold. I don't even know why I'm saying this though, but actually I would go. I would do this 54.92.5 to 5,500.5. Get it there. Hi. You can let him go. Just let him go. Hi, Daddy. Hi, my boy. Hi, my boy. Hello. Hello. Go have your water. Go have your water. Go ahead. Go drink your water. Like a moose. Do you hear that, Jennifer, in the background? My Henny Poo. Hi, Bobo. Thank you, Dave. Yeah. Hey, you told him you were going to have he went crazy? You told him you were coming here, he went crazy?
Oh, yeah.
Ready to rock and roll, my... No. Nope. I miss you so much, my boy. I missed you. Huh? I love you so much. All right. Look at this gold. Oh, my God. Again, be careful. Just scalp the gold, Jennifer, if you're long here. Let's put the silver up here. This silver. See what the silver's doing here. Let's trade the gold here. 1702 here. Let's start scaling out of longs here above 01 on the gold. What's up, Rocky? What's up, everybody? Get ready for the raffles. There goes the gold, Jen. Just in and out, nice and slowly here. Gold! There you go. Gold up 8. What's the matter? Hi, Boo Boo. All right. Oh, please, God. Please let gold drop 500 points. I'll be the happiest guy in the world. I'll leave an extra 5 in the I can't even talk. In the basket. It doesn't matter. Oh yeah. Oh, February like last year? Get ready. 500 points. Well, ran ran 800 in 7 days, right? It ran Son of Wall Street, where have you been? It doesn't matter. 54.90. Oh, Mikey Jacques. Oh, Shushin. I need gold to get the 50. I need to go 49.50. I'd be the happiest guy in the world. Hey, Raphael Trades. Hey, where have you been, brother? Raphael. NASDAQ dropping. ADXs. How about Microsoft? Kabooshed. Meta down. Meta's off 18 off the highs. What is the gold rang? What? S&Ps, man. They were trading, S&Ps were trading around the 70-20 level. Then a lot of things just got kabooshed here. NASDAQ dropping. If you're long the gold, I'd be out of it here. I just can't even say, I can't even think of saying buy gold when it's parabolic like this. But anybody get that short when it hit the 56.26 level? What time? I am in Eastern Standard Time. It is right now 8:09. If I had a wish, I wish outside of family and oh, here we go, Mikey Jacques. There you go. You got the gold short. Wow. Well, gold's down about 150 off the highs. Hey, what's up, Mr. MLC? What's up, brother? This gold gets to the 68.5, 75.5. Probably take a long. Silver gets down to the 1640, 1680. Probably take a long. Oh, geez, look how fast the gold rallied. Silver just rallied 30 cents, but S&P and U.S. dropping here. Yep. 10-year bonds. Come on, pay it back. Hi. Hello. I missed you too. What, gold every rally should be? There goes the gold right back up. There goes the silver up 30 cents. Silver's really not participating as much here, right? Gold, is anybody new here today? Anybody new? Is there anybody new? If you any which contract we're looking at? April. There goes the silver, just ran 40 cents. Gold just ran about 18. What was the low on gold? Don't tell me gold was like 75, was it? Yep, 75 and a half. Just ran 17 like what? Look at this. 20 up like nothing. All right, I would cancel the buy on the gold. It seems like every time gold drops, you just gotta, I hate to say it, you just gotta buy it. But look at this here, silver. What was the question? I said if anybody is new here and would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email. It doesn't matter. Look at gold up 25 like a blink of an eye. Shushan, I hope you covered your short. Jeff, right? I hope you guys covered your shorts there. Silver just ran 50. I know, right? G-Bing, I want gold to drop 500. What 5 accounts? Who won 5 accounts? MMK, welcome. Marcus, what's up, MMK? What's up, my brother? Are we off any day this week? In February, is that Veterans Day? You're from Canada. What the hell am I asking you for? You're a Canadian. 14th, which is a Saturday. Yeah. I think we're off that day. Wow, look at the gold. Wow, gold just ran 30. Damn it. 75 to 07. Damn it. What's up, Nostalgia Gams? What's up, brother? I need a Caboose t-shirt. Mama Bear Trader. I don't know if I have any left. I'm trying to get them made. Wow, MMK, you're from an old student 4 years ago? Text me, 914-500-7484. Hey, Joshua, how are you? 9776. Come on, just gold. Jesus. Every dip. Hey, it sends the good job. What are you trading? The big ones? Or are you trading micros? Yep. Did gold change contracts? Yes. I'm looking at April. I know, right? I mean, gold just ran. If gold ticks 15, they'll be up 40 in 5 minutes. I mean, come on. Here's up 40. Up 40, 75 to 15 in 6 minutes. And Silva just ran 50 cents. You got to go to J. You got to go to J. Good job, Erastus. Good job. Great job, Erastus. Oh, please, God, let this thing drop to 5,000. Well, if you want to take a scalp short on gold, you can go short here 17, 16 and a half, 17 to 24, 25. You got to go wide. Actually, here, look at this 20, go 20 to 28. Look at this gold. Look at this thing. Can you believe it just ran $50 in 8 minutes? 8 minutes. Be careful on the shorts. You got to go wide. This thing, you lost 3,000 today, Jose? How come? No, cover the gold short, Jennifer. If you're short, I cover. Listen, you can't be psychologically that, you know. Nasdaq just dropped 17. Nasdaq just dropped 25. No, I don't think that's accurate though. You like the rapid accounts? You tried to short gold down 1,800. It's a tough one, I'm telling you. The new month symbol for gold is J. 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 All right. If you scalp this, man, I knew that gold was along down there. Damn. I was 68 and a half to 75 and a half, 75.10 like that. Silver just ran 60 cents. S&Ps just dropped about 30 on the double red short. When you see the S&P or Nasdaq futures here, I just think you know what I got to tell you. I think February is going to. I think the caboose is going to come in February. I'm telling you, like just like last year, the caboose, right? Remember last year the S&Ps? That was March actually. March and February, March caboose months. You see this here? The ADXs are rising on the 60. The ADXs are rising here on the 15. You take the short here on the Nasdaq. 26,000. Just dropped 40 on the Nasdaq. Come on, silver, pump. Pump where? It's a. I think February to April, big caboose. I agree. I agree. Overhead of 125 could be a lot higher than that. If you wanted to take another scalp short on gold, 26 and a half, 27 up to 33, 34. You got to go 7, 8 wide on gold. You got to go wide. You got to go wide. Silver just rallied almost 90 cents here off this low right here. 79.80. Tried to get it, but just there's $1 in silver. Be careful on the shorts and silver. You got to go wide. Dude, I just want to see gold drop 500. You master of execution? All right, we're going to be doing 10 giveaways tonight at 9:50. And please, 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 I'm begging you, please give me the cover the gold short here below 26 and a half if you're short. If you're I would, let's see here. Let's see here. We have we're going to do the giveaways. Make sure you guys sign up for the giveaways tonight. Anybody short the gold here? Lower your stops, Jennifer. Shushin. Somebody knows something with the metals, man. I mean, gold doesn't rally 800 points in 6 to 7 days. You know? USA store, Columbia. USA store. All right, here we go. Here we go. Unbelievable. Gold 54.75 to 54.30. 55.30. 55 points in literally in 12 minutes. Hey, Hendricks, who's buying gold? I don't know. Who's buying gold? All I know is I'm going to tell you right now. All right? If we're lucky enough to get some type of a sharp pullback on the daily, and we get some type of a deep oversold condition here, wherever that point may be, this is what I really want to see, this gap filled. Where's that gap? Right here. Where's that gap? That gap. 51.22. So 400 points lower. So 400 points brings it down. Brings down to here. What's up, the real deal trader? What's going on, brother? Something's up, right? They know something. Look at this gold. Jesus. All right, I would scalp the short again on the gold. Look at this gold's up 60 points. I'd scalp the short on the gold 36 and a half. 36, 37 and a half up to 45. 38 to 45. You want to scalp it. Look at this. Goes up 70 points. This thing's moving like water. But silver's not even moving that much. This gold drops anywhere between the 33 and 37. I look to cover. Unbelievable. Gold gonna hit 60? Oh no, we'll see. Fives are getting overbought into the negative MACDs. Oh, drop. Here we go. It's 36. 35. You got Krypton. What happened? You got wrecked? Shorting gold? Well, I tried to get the long there. I said 70. Here it goes. Drop. Just die. Drop 500, please. China? I'd be covering shorts here in gold. Citadel's trading metals now? Of course. See if this, you be careful with longs. Gotta be careful with shorts. All right, again, we're going to have a giveaway at 9:50, but please make sure you sign up, okay? You have to sign up. Yeah, they want to devalue the dollar. on gold. Drop on this. Wait till this 5 minute time frame starts turning down. I think gold's going to be in trouble. You're bearish. Good job on the Nasdaq short. That was a beautiful double red short on the Nasdaq. So if you look at this, if you look here, if you look at the Nasdaq, okay, I'll show you the strategy here. I wanted to show this strategy to you here. Okay, it happened right when we came on here. All right. The Nasdaq reversed to sell on the 15-minute time frame, okay, at 18:15. And the 30, okay, is about to reverse here. But here's the thing, the 60 is in negative mode. So you got this push up into this negative MACD right here. Do you see that? Okay. You see that? I mean, this Nasdaq pushed up at 1900 to 26,296. Now, the strategy goes like this. If you're in a sell disconnect where the 60 and the 15 are negative and the 5 reverses to sell, well, you take the short right here into the negative MACD. That's the first thing right there you do. Right there. That's the first strategy right there. Okay? The next strategy is another bounce here on the at 1930, and then as we were coming on here at 8 o'clock, I saw this short here on the Nasdaq, and you can see the drop here of about 70 points. This is a absolute Picasso, and the reason why it's a Picasso is if you look at the Nasdaq, you can see the ADXs are rising, which means number one, you have a negative MACD. The 60 and the 30s were pushing up. Okay, the 15s were pushing up into the negative MACD, but when you see this ADX, when you see the ADX pushing up here, like this here, okay, this is the short right here. All right, this is an absolute Picasso, absolute Picasso. All right, this gold's starting to drop. Okay, yep, gold short dropping. Gold's going right back up here. Sure, you could probably take another scalp short on the gold, 45 up to 52, 53. This thing, you just got to scalp it from the short side. It even gets up there. I mean, gold literally is up like $70 in 12 minutes. Actually, about, no, a little bit longer. Here, this is the, all right, here we go. If you're short, lower your stops. Here, look at this. Look at this. 72, boom. Got to just scalp the short. Again, the negative MACDs here. Okay, the double blue here. We got to wait for some type of a pullback. You got the silver long, or is the silver long? Okay. May hit 60, but you can still scalp it from the short side here. Let's look at the bigger time frames on gold. Just to give you a breakdown here, okay? Look at the 30-minute time frame today on gold, right here at 2:30. It was trading 5,300. 5,300. Okay? 5,300. And then it kabooms. Look at this, 326 points. Look at that, right? And look at the GLDs on the 30-minute. 84. Okay, you see that? Unbelievable. Yep. No, I have not. I have not seen anything like what I've seen in gold and silver. More so gold in 7 days. I've seen a negative 45 oil. I've seen a Dow down 3,000. Silver, kaboom. Yeah. Very quiet here. Let's see here. All right. So right now, if you're short the gold, look to cover between 41 and 47. Gold's telling you something scary is going to happen here. No, no, no. I mean, come on, man, really. I mean, seriously. I mean, the thing was just trading 4,700, 4,800 7 days ago. I mean, come on, man, really, seriously, right? Right here. Where's this one? 4660, right? Let's even go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. 7 days. The low was 4,800. Come on, right? It's not fun. You got to wait for real good patterns on the gold. But that 30-minute time frame was really magnificent. And I'll tell you what I try to tell everybody. If you look here, okay, if you look here, when the 60-minute time frame reversed to buy right here on the algorithm on the SLVs, you then, what do you look to do? You buy the first pullback on the 15-minute time frame. Actually, it was the 15 was the 30. Sorry, the 30. The 15s got oversold right here at par. Look at the 30. That's a set strategy right here, right as the Fed opened their big mouth, and then it rallied here, $7 here. So, but again, it's another one right here. You want silver to get some type of an oversold condition here. I mean, do I think all these guys? I mean, just a week. Was it? Where was silver? Was it here? Silver was trading. Yeah, silver was trading right here at 68. Silver right here was trading at 68. You see this? Right here. Where is it? This is 7. Here, right here. On December 31st, less than a month ago, silver was trading at 69, and they're calling for it to go to 52, 53, 48. I don't know. This should have been bought. This is what I'm praying to the good Lord we get some type of oversold condition like this right here. And then you got to back up the truck, Gus. You know? Meta was higher. Meta was trading up 58. Meta closed really um yep. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Literally, you come in, gold gets kabooshed. But here's the one thing though, you don't see like something big's gonna happen here, right? I know President Trump, I would just be scalping the shorts off the 5 minute. Papa Trump, um, I like how you split this. What do you mean? Split what? I know like Papa Trump was talking, um, I short this gold here again, 53 up to 60, 61. It gets up there. I agree, Rocky Mountain. I think something bad's gonna happen here. Oh, there it goes. It's dropping. Here, it just dropped 6, 7 on gold already. I mean, gold's up, 20% to the year to date. Silver's up 54%. If anybody new wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me 914-500-7484. It doesn't make sense, really. My boy. Again, look at this gold. Look to short this here, 50, 55 up to 63, 64. You got to go wide on the gold. Oh my God, 60. Poof. By the time you came and speak that fast. Gold's up almost $90. $90 since we started. I'd be short here. Fill the coolers. 5,700? Hope not. Look at this gold. Unbelievable. You got to get. I'm looking for a pullback on the 5 minute. That's amazing, Lee. Great job. That's a great job, Lee. Very proud of you. And very impressive. God bless you, brother. Real, that's very proud of you. Really, really very proud of you. Wow. Look at this. Gold's up 100 points. I still think it's going to pull in off the 5-minute time frame. 73. You got to be. Who's buying? Silver's not even participating in this. Look at this gold. Up 100 points. Have an account?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, if you got stopped on that one, it probably shorted again here. 77 up. You got to go wide. 78 up to like 88.7 or something. 78. Boom! This thing's going to drop. It's going to drop. 8,000 Canadian. Yeah, 75.80 might be. Yeah, there goes the gold. I still think it's going to drop hard here. These 5-minute time frames, see it drop. Are you kidding me? Did you see what happened today in this gold? You guys didn't see what happened in this gold? Around 6:30 tonight. Look at this. Everything, it opened. And then boom, up 100. Look at the gold drop now. Okay. Yeah, you got to, yep, I agree. You got to go 10 wide on the gold. If you look here, gold shot up 56.26 at 640, and then it got kabooshed, $70, and ultimately dropped 110, pushed up on the little bull flag from 13 up to 58, 58 all the way down 70. Okay. Great job, Lee. Really very impressive. Very impressive. The thing is, what's going to make this thing drop other than, I don't know, an overbought? Oh, thank you, Jay Bucky. Thank you. Well, there are some great patterns, especially if you want to trade the bigger time. $100 away from a payout. Good job. Oh, come on, drop. Here we go. If you're short the gold, lower your stops. If you're short the gold, lower your stops. Oh, just dropped 15. Tough to trade tonight. I would go wide. I go wide. Captain Price, you get short. Lots of angry shorts in gold. Oh my God, there. Die. Just die. Drop 500 tonight, please. Good Lord God, I swear I'd do anything. Here you go. Just drop. If it hits 50, it'll be. If it hits 50, it'll be down 30. VWAP. 5,400. What is that? 5,400. All right. Gold's insane. So the thing is that silver isn't even really even participating, right? If I'll show you again, if you guys look at the strategy here, you can see the silver futures here, reverse to buy. Oh, Jesus, come on. Can you imagine you wake up and gold's down literally 700 points in one day? I could see it. I could see see the government doesn't like gold up, okay? And Papa Trump doesn't like, and Papa Trump says, I want a stronger dollar, right? And, but you see here, this is the 30-minute silver. So when the 30-minute reverses to buy, right, you look for the pullbacks on the 15. So that's why silver just rallied like $1 here. So now you have a trend on the overnight session here. Send me an email. I hope not 6,000. That'll suck. I mean, you think 6,000? Who's buying this though? Right back up. 6,000 and then drops to where? 5,500. You want a free account? I don't give free accounts out for my fund of futures. I give anybody who wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream. If you guys want that, Nasdaq and S&P dead. The only trade on the S&P was exactly when we came in, and then Nasdaq at 2005 at 805. Really great short pattern on the Nasdaq and S&P. You see 5804. When I started this live stream, I told people to trade the metals at night, and people were like, "Are you crazy? We're trading index futures." I'm like, "You're making a mistake. You're making a mistake. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that." Oh, what? Silver? You're short? Yeah, we'll do it again. Well, if you made a mistake, it doesn't matter. I mean, look at these stocks here. I mean, let's just look at these stocks here quickly, right? I mean, look at this. You have Seagate today, parabolic, right? You have WDC, parabolic. You have Micron. Nobody wanted Micron at 100. Now it's 443. Look at this, Micron. Okay. You have what's the other one? Micron, SanDisk. Nobody wanted this thing. Look at this SanDisk. Nobody wanted this. Okay. Thank you, Juicy. Look at this. You go back to the weekly on SanDisk. You're talking just last year, Sep- September. The stock was under 100. So what the hell happened between here and here? Can somebody tell me? Well, here and here. This thing's insane. Oh, I hope they miss. I want to see this stock down 300. Oh, I would love it. And this earnings are after the bell. And you saw what happened to UNH today, right? UNH got kabooshed. It opened here at 54. Oh, that's the weekly. Hold on. The daily here today. It just gapped down. Boom. Then, of course, it rallies 12 off the lows. Warren Buffett owns this. So they're going to protect him. What? Yeah, everything's still open. Yep. You bought it. Okay, great job. I hope gold's a screaming short. These 15 should roll over here. These 15 should roll over. You know, Japan bonds. Mm-hmm. Can't believe since we started here, gold really just ran 100 points. You guys got a couple more minutes to sign up for the giveaway tonight at 9:50. We're going to do 10 rapid giveaways. These 15s are getting overbought here. You have a profit where? Highest have a long at. I would close it. I would close it. Yep, the UNH. Yeah, I got it. UNH chart is up. Yep. Silver. Let me see. You're long silver at 39. You said. Where's he long the silver? Silver up. If this silver gets down to the even to 37, I would take a long. All right, gold's starting to roll over here now. Gold's rolling over. SLV had 80 billion in inflows. Come on, are you serious? They're buying silver now. Here comes the gold dropping. They can't keep silver in stock. Or if you bought the silver, just trade out of it, in and out. What 37s here? There must be someone big concert. Okay. Gold's gonna be the end of me. There goes the silver right back up, 20 cents. You can see that silver and gold are not even. I'm just all I want for Christmas is a pullback. All I want for Christmas is a pullback. I might see a nice pullback, but the thing is, there's no really. There's a gap here. 88. Give me 88 in silver. I'll take it. Give me 88. You killed the MP. Hey, Vlad, how are you? Silver gold's gonna go right back up. Look at 58 to 68 on the double blue. All right. This is painful. Absolutely painful. Right here, 55. Just ran 16 points. This is the double blue on gold. Silver just rallied from 37 to 84. Nicholas Sal, you caught it on silver or gold? Gold just ran. Look at the. Oh my God Almighty! Look, just ran 20 point. Look at this. It drops to 55.7 and then rallies up 18. This thing's on crack. This thing's on crack. You got a couple more minutes for you guys. Gold is unconscious. I mean, you want to see, look, I'm telling you, I've been around 43 years. I've never seen this in a commodity. Never. I've seen gold negative 40, 45. I've seen the Dow down. Oh, my internet just got kabooshed. I think so. Am I back up? Can you guys hear me? You guys still hear me? All right, that's it. If you guys, I hope you guys can. I hope you guys signed up for the giveaway tonight. We're going to be doing 9. Hmm? It's not yet, not yet. But this is parabolic. I mean, literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ago it was trading 4,800. 4,800. The thing is that what in God's creation is going to make it drop now, other than a monster kabooshin from somebody? Because anybody, if this thing drops, there's going to be buyers. If they love it here, they're going to love it here, 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 here. That's the thing, right? Hey, Jessica, how are you, Jessica? That's the thing, though.
What's the algos kick in?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Well, yeah. Here comes the gold dropping. The 15s should start kicking in gear here. If you're short, lower your stops on the gold. Silver just got kabooshed. Oh, yes. God, just give me 14 pencils in a row down to 5,000. I'll be the happiest guy in the world. I'll leave an extra, I'll leave a C note in the basket on Sunday. Good job. Who's short the gold? Pretty good there. You have dinner? Who shorted the gold? Wow, look at this gold. Jeff. I'm just hoping for a pullback to get long. Hey, Stephen Moore. Down to, yeah. It's gold up on the 5-minute. Get another 32. Look, it's 32 to it just ran $10 like nothing. All right. You got a double blue buy here. You got to be careful. If this gold gets down to the I don't know if it's going to happen. 25 to 33 range. Mikey Jacques, you shorted that? Mikey Jacques. Textbook topping tail on that hourly moonshot bar. Michael, whatever you're on, send me a case. I don't even know what the hell you're talking about. Gold just rallied 17. Michael, whatever you're on, send me a case. Indexes pop. Gold just rallied 18. I'll remember this for a long time. $55.26. Someone's buying 44s. $85 on gold. You made 85 on gold? Yes, sir. All right, I canceled the buy range. It just rallied. A double blue buy. Just give me one pencil down 700 points. I'll be the happiest guy. How'd you get nailed? You along up here? What are you, crazy, Angel? What are you, bananas? Over 1,500? You trading big ones? I mean, even if you fill the gap here at 5,300, that's 200 down. That'll be, yeah, about 200 down here. Really need it down. This is the gap you really want filled. You could fill this gap here at 5,100. Oh my God. Lee, you're up 11,000. Go get him. God bless you, Lee. You trading the big ones? Probably trading the big ones. That's why. If you get to 5,100, that's 430 points. Oh man, I would love a 5,100 print. 5,100. Do what? Gold? Well, you have a crosswinds here. You got the double blue buy on the 5, and you got the 15s that want to roll over. That's the problem. Wow. You did on the market. So you bought the big ones down there? Great job. That's a great job, Lee. Oh. Let's see what happens here. Gold. I'd like to see this gold at least get to 54.20. Oof, that would be a gift. Great job, Lee. We are going to remember this for a while here. S&Ps just are not moving. NASDAQ up to 45. Silver. Where are the stop orders? So I want to know. Where are the big stop orders? 5,000 lots. Sell. Boom. Knock it down 200 points. Oh, yeah. I'd like to see gold tonight below 5,500. This would be this would be this would if they touch this moving average, I jump for joy. It's so hard. Yeah, we have a raffle tonight. We have a raffle at 9:50. It's so hard to take along at these levels because I even though there's patterns, but the stop orders could really caboose it to no avail. All right, these fives are going to turn up. What was the low just now here? If this gold gets down to the I just ran 15. This is going to turn up on the double blue here. That's what I was calling for the long before. Ran 16. Mikey Jacques, where do you think it pulls in on the daily, Michael? Well, gold just rallied 18 just now. So that's that. Ran 20. There we go. Here's 20. That's why I was calling for the double. When the fives turn up here, it's going to really push it up. Oof. I was calling for that long here earlier. Silver, I think so too. It just traded right down 85 on silver, ran 70 cents. Insane. Wow, this silver just exploded 75 cents. That's why I was calling that long on the. Anybody buy the gold on the 5? Anybody buy the gold on the 5? Anybody? Look at this.
I did.
You bought the gold up 25 on gold. Silver up $1 soon. Look at this. Jeff, you bought on the double blue? Good job, Jeff. You got it? Rikia, you got it? You got it, Cessna? What happened? Why are you down? Just need 3,000 past my funding account. Oh, retrace to 5,000 would be a godsend. Look at this gold. Up 30. Up 30 in 7 minutes. Wow. Look, I've been around over 43 years. I have not seen this. NASDAQ just dropped about 13. Again, the ADXs are rising. NASDAQ right into the 10-bar moving average. $51 on the NASDAQ. Just dropped, almost dropped 30 here. So the NASDAQ drops 26. The S&Ps, what do they get up to? 98, drop 3. Drop 3. All right, if this silver gets down to the 45.85 range, probably look to buy it. How's that noise? What are you, driving me crazy? Are you crazy? My nerves are shot. And you're doing that to me? Oh my God almighty. You think tomorrow's gonna be bloody red on gold and silver? I hope so, from your lips to my ears. I'll tell you now. What do you mean decreasing? If the ADXs are rising, what do you mean that the RSI? I'm not looking, I don't use RSI. I can only imagine where the stop orders are in this thing. Like, who's just buying gold here? I just don't get it. Like, who's just buying gold? Oh, yeah. Rumors with Iran with a war? There's no war. Well, it'll be over in 15 hours. It'll be over in 15 hours. What's going on with the look at George. He's got every name. Look at George. He's got every name in the alphabet in his last name. I love it. Can only imagine here. You think 5100 on gold? I'd love to see that. I'd love to see that. So 4,000 was the floor, right? Everybody's like, oh, 4,000 gold, 4,000 gold. A dip below it. Everybody's like, oh, 3,200, 37. I'm like, what are you, crazy? Rally right past that, like a couple days later. Now you want to get a retest. You want to get an oversold condition. And then what you do, this is how I look at it, right? This is how I look at it. If you get the breakout level of 5,000, right? And the high was 56.28, bastard, right? Okay. And then you get let's say you get a pullback. I'm just saying to 5,000. So what you do is you then flip the high to the 5,000 mark, right? And you do what's called a measured move, right? Even if it's 5,100, let's say 5,100, okay? 5,100, okay? You take the 5,100 from 56, forget about the 28. That's 500. You add the 500 to the 5,600, you got 6,100 gold. That's what you look at. 6,100 gold. You think silver is going to be 1,000? You think gold 10,000? Could be. Have to get a pullback first. Oh, George is Greek. George is Greek. Okay, so we're going to do the raffles. Jesus, this was a very long night. We've seen parabolic moves like this during the run to 1,800. But your logic says we should have gone back to 700 rebalance and then only came down. You think aliens come down from? That's a good one. Wow. All right. Again, we have the raffle here. Really nothing going on right now. I'm just looking to get this silver. If this silver pulls in on the 15, look out. It's going to turn up. I don't even know if you're going to get that 85 mark. My dog's snoring? My dog, Hendrix is snoring. Can you believe it? Dragon Trades, great job. Hendrix is so happy. I'm so happy I saved his life. IBM had great earnings after the bell. IBM. We need Papa Trump to say something. We need Papa Trump to say something for the markets here, for gold to get cabooshed. I mean, he came out today and said, "I want a stronger U.S. dollar." Well, great. What, gold?
No, this.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Hey, very quiet here. Very, very quiet. How do you get the dollar to be stronger? The Fed's got to intervene. Fed's got to intervene. He said he wants the dollar weaker? Mm. I was gonna say that. Well, what you want to try to do here. 30-minute doing here. This gold gets down to the 35 and a half, 42 and a half. Let me see, 35 and a half, 42 and a half range. Look at the Nasdaq and S&P is rallying. What the hell's on? What are they crazy? This is the other eighth wonder of the world. Oh, if he ever took back the dollar to the gold standard, gold will be 10,000 overnight. Time to Bitcoin wake up. I know Bitcoin's been acting terrible. It's the 60-minute time frame just reversed to sell on Bitcoin here. Nasdaq just pushed up here, up on the. How's the Nasdaq? Nasdaq I would look to short here, 60 up to 85. Bitcoin. I'm gonna start doing a Bitcoin channel soon here. Yeah, I agree. Bitcoin's is Bitcoin still around? The 60-minute Bitcoin just reversed to sell right here. See that? Man, this is one of the quietest nights, gold and silver. Bitcoin's got to be shorted. Look at the ADX rising on the 15. It goes to gold right back up. Here, the real good pullback right here. 35, and here's the other one, 38. Rally 10. I cancel the buy in the gold. These 15s really should knock it down here, though. No? How'd you make 4,000 on silver? On the long? I still think silver with the 30-minute time frame bullish here. You just bought gold here? Okay. Have to see a little lower. Rallied 14. The hell came out in the Nasdaq? The dollar's getting killed. The market don't get killed. Right? Go figure. S&Ps are pushing up. Got sells on the 15, 30, and 60 on the NASDAQ. Fixes are pumping for now. We'll see. Oh, wow. You shorted silver from 118? Though it had to be earlier. That had to be earlier on the silver. Right here. I mean, that had to be earlier. If you look here, 18 was probably 845 right here, maybe. Tight stop. You can't trade silver with a tight stop. Bitcoin dropping to 20,000. My friend told me 47,000 he sees. That could happen. If the Nasdaq can drop here, these 15s. Boy, oh boy, silver and gold, one of the quietest nights I've seen. Nasdaq look to cover any shorts between the probably 60 and 65 range. Hey, Joe Mappo, what's going on? 40 ticks. That's 40 ticks? That's what, 40, like every penny is a tick? Is that what he's saying? What do I mean by cover shorts? I called a short on the NASDAQ. I said, look to short, what did I say, 63 to 83 or something, 85?
Yeah.
Careful, these NASDAQ futures are getting overbought on the 30-minute time frames. I'd be careful here. There goes the gold. Bastard on the double blue.
Careful longer.
Careful short on, careful long on the NASDAQ.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe Mappo, what's going on, brother? There goes the gold, right back up 30 on the gold, on the double blue. Bastard. Gold went, I missed it by, look at the silver. Jesus Christ. Silver's going to turn up here off the 15s. So this is the double blue long here on gold. This was the first one, I missed it. Here's the second one, came close. The third one. This one here, I was 35. Got down to 34.9. Now the fives are turning up. So silver technically on this pattern went from 38, just ran 26. $26. I mean gold, sorry. You still think NASDAQ will dump overbought? Yeah, NASDAQ reversed to sell on this 30-minute time frame. You're a negative on all three. The 15s are overbought. There you go. Look to cover NASDAQ anywhere between 57 and 67. Yeah, what does that mean, 100-ounce silver? I saw that. What does that mean? That can be bigger than a mini? That can be bigger than a mini? Again, we're going to do the raffle at 9:50, and please give me names I can read. Jennifer, thank you for the last couple of nights, Jennifer, helping me. Thank you, Jen. I'm not saying it's not a buy. Oh, my God. Look at that beautiful short, and look at that. Bitcoin just got kabooshed. Bitcoin just got absolutely kabooshed. So Bitcoin, I told you, reverse to sell on the 60-minute time frame right here. And the strategy is negative MACD. It correlated with the 30 and the 15. You take the overbought condition here, Bitcoin 88,588. Bitcoin, kabooshed. Wow, look at that, 700 points on Bitcoin. Look at that, beautiful short. 60 reverses to sell during the Asia session. It correlates with the 30 here. You can see the 30. The ADXs are rising on the 30, the 15. The ADXs are rising, negative trend, right? What do you look to do? The strategy, you short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. Absolutely a Picasso. From here to here, 700 plus points. Beautiful. What a short. I know, what does that mean?
It's
A micro?
micros.
Wait. Mindy's 5,000. I knew that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Micros 1,000.
Micro's 1,000.
And whatever this does.
So it's got to be really very small then.
Yeah.
So what's it going to be, like $1 a tick? Just for silver, not for gold?
It'd be 50 cents.
50 cents.
Silver's.
So how much would it be again? $0.50. So if silver moves from 15 to 16, it's $500 or 50,
50 bucks.
50 bucks. 50 bucks. Oh, CME smart. That's Terry for you. I think the whole world's going to jump on those. Hello, Sofak from Brazil. How are you? All right, we got about 14 minutes for the giveaways here. Look at this freaking gold up $40 on the double blue. Bitcoin got absolutely kabooshed. Who trade? Anybody trade Bitcoin here? It's $1 per penny, not 50 cents per penny. Thing, is that right? Is that the math right on that? Look at this. Goes up 100 from the beginning of the session. Can you believe it? Back up again. Like somebody buying gold at 55.7. Do they really think it's going to like 8,000 first or something? I don't know. Crazy. $5,000. Right. Yes, that's true. Good job. You caught the Bitcoin short. Good job. Nope. Thank you. Oof. Jeff, great night, Jeff. 14,000 tonight. Wow. It's $1. That's what I thought. Yeah.
It's $1.
So it's $100 for each one. Micro, whatever they're called. Right? Great job, Jeffrey. God bless you, brother. There you go. Oh. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. Jennifer, I need you tonight. I'm a little tired for my eyes. Yep. Out like a light. Hi, Bobo. Hey, Daddy. Found everybody. Great job, Jennifer. Great job, Jennifer. How are the girls doing? They went to Lenore to have it.
Yeah.
You're short the gold? Okay. Good little short there. Just dropped 9. Copper's blasting off. Let's look. The one I want to really buy is this platinum. Not here, though. But the metals. Oh, my God. Look at this copper. What the heck? Got to buy the copper on the double blue pullback here. Melina, get in there. Great job, Melina. Nasdaq's getting cabooshed. I'll be covering shorts. Just dropped, I think, over 10. Right? Mama Bear Trader, I was thinking of you on that one. Okay? Mama Bear. Where's Papa Bear? Let's see here. All right. Again, if anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me at 914-500-7484. Again, 914-500-7484. All right? Okay. Please, they're coming in fast and furious here. And you could get the 5-day free trial and you can start it on a Monday. Okay? Oh, look at this gold. Great short up there at 75. Great short into the negative MACD and the 15s rolling over. Every time I say I want gold to die, it goes the opposite. So I can't say that no more. Anybody short the Nasdaq? I would cover soon. You get the positive MACDs. You gotta be careful, right? Even though the 50, you may get one more push up before the 15s roll over. Okay. It's Christmas in January. Well, I can only say if I get a 49.50 print on gold, I'll be very happy. All right. You never look back on the river, Alicia. You never look back. Look at this gold. Look, if gold hits 45, you're down 30 off the highs. Why the dip? Why not on gold? No way. Not with those 15s rolling over like that. No, no, sir. No, sir. All right, we're gonna have the raffle in about 7 minutes here. Please, I'm begging you. If there's a name I can't read, it's over. I'm not reading it. So I'm asking you nicely. If there's a name that I can't read, it's over. You covered gold at 50. Good job. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. It goes to 47 and then it rallies 10. Look at this. 12. This is parabolic. This is insane. Give me these two gaps to be filled. I'll be very happy. Oh, here's a gap. What's this gap? Oh, 50.29. Oh. Yes, gold is a monster. I mean, gold, look at the weekly. You're 1,100 points above the 10 bar. You know what the standard deviation? Look at 94. You know what the standard deviation for this is? I know is 50. 50 or 65 on this. 50 or 65. Look at the monthly. 1,800 points. Exactly, Captain Price. We lost count. All right, we're going to do the raffle in about 5 minutes. I hope everybody signed up. Oh. Man, oh man, silver's not even doing anything tonight. Usually silver is the crazy one, right? Usually silver is the crazy one. If this gold gets down to the 40, 48 level, and probably when you sign up, you have to go before 9 o'clock to the My Funded Futures. I'm going to see if Aaron can put the sign up in our. Well, you got to go to My Funded Futures YouTube, and you can sign up there. For those of you who are, please hit the subscribe button on My Funded Futures and SK Trading Futures on the YouTubes. That would be really been appreciative. NASDAQ just dropped about 15. There goes the gold right back up. Gold hits 48 and then rallies 16. 14. What happened? Down? It doesn't matter. Got 4 minutes here for the raffle. I can't believe gold hit 56.26 and drops 100 and about north of 100 points. Why should I settle down? I'm very calm, actually. The game started at 3,900. How about the game really? You want to see where the game really started? 27.50. This is where I really called where I thought gold was going to be in the bull market. I'll show you. A weekly. This is where I told my friend many moons ago. Where is it? 2700. Right here. When the weekly reverse, what was that? Yeah, 2900 right here. That this gold's going to go. I saw the yellow dots into the blue. So just my friend, he just stayed long it. And then I told him around here, I kicked some out. He said, no, I'm crazy. And then he watched it drop from 3,600 to 3,200. Bought more. Never look back. And look at this. Boom. Here's a parabolic move on the weekly. 3,400 and 1,200. Then dropped. At least you got a drop. Something of a drop. That's what I hope happens here. This is absolutely insane. And here, gold just ran 20 bucks from 47.7. Look, just ran 22. All right, I'd be covering shorts here on the NASDAQ, even though I think the 15s are going to roll. I told you that's the first bounce on the 15 after the 30 reversed to sell. All right, good luck, everybody. Bitcoin absolutely kabooshed new lows. So Bitcoin hit that 88,500 and now it's down 800. Just give me 800 points in gold. I'll be the happiest guy in the world. Down. All right, it's time for the raffle. Let's do it, everybody. It's time for the raffle. Let me make it a little bit bigger. No, I don't think we're going back to the gold standard. No. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Are you here, Stock Wisdom? Got to give him a little time. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Got to give him a little time. Nope. Got to give him a little bit more time. See the little bull flag right there? You're going to get one more push up. Yeah. But I wouldn't touch it now, though. It's too late. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Going once. Going twice. Is he here? Next! Backstore, Baxxxxtor, Backstore. I hope I'm saying that right. Baxxxxtor, triple X. Those two for you. I'm giving people 30, 40 seconds to respond. Stock Wisdom Weekly, he's here. No, that's not him right here. Stock Wisdom Weekly. Oh, I don't know if I can give it to him, but I gave a whole minute. He's too late. Backstore, going once. Going twice. Next! Listen, I called your name, Stock Wisdom Weekly, over a minute. The phone was stuck. What does that mean? It's not my call. That's a new, get a t-shirt. The phone was stuck. The mouse was stuck. The phone was stuck. Mr. 369. Mr. 369. Me was here. Oh my God. Mr. 369. The mouse was stuck. Mr. X369.
It's different.
What do you say? He's here?
Yeah.
Congratulations, Mr. X. He's our first winner of the night. Next! Uh-oh, the wheel's frozen. Uh-oh. Come on, gold. What is this? This is insane. Professor Jiggling. I can't even taste it. It's a tongue twister. This should be banned. Right. Professor Zhang Italiano. Professor Zhang. Jiang Italiano. Professor Zhang Italiano. Is it sauce or is it gravy? Professor Zhang Italiano. Is Professor Zhang Italiano here? I gotta give him some time. I gotta give him 45 seconds. If anybody wants access to my 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email at 914-500-7484. Professor Zhang Italiano, going once. Going twice. Next! You want gravy? It's sauce. Too bad, man. You guys sign up and then you win. Son of Wall Street. Congratulations, Son of Wall Street. You can't see Henny. It's pitch black in here. Son of Wall Street. I saw him here earlier. Got to give it a little time. Son of Wall Street, you here, brother? I think he's at work. What good is that? He's got to be here. That's the rules. He's here?
He's here.
I don't see him. He said he's here? Oh, Jenny said he's here. All right, here he is. What the hell? Now, what is this? Alex Ponsavaldo 4481. Come on, man. Alex Ponsavaldo 4481. Alex, Ponsivdal 4481. Oh my God. Take your time here all night. I'm exhausted. Alex Ponsavaldo 4481. Are you here? These names, I gotta read them. Copper still ripping. I don't know if they won the day session. Next! Boy, oh boy, gold and silver just really quiet here. Nastasia, what the hell is this word? Can you help me? Look at this. What? This is crazy. I might have to say next to this one. Nostalgia. Hey, Gamaz.
Oh, nostalgic.
Nostalgia Games.
Yeah.
He's here?
Yeah.
One?
Yeah. Thanks, chat.
Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Zeus. Here we go. A normal guy. Zeus 1126. Zeus 1126. Nostalgia Games, congratulations. Zeus 1126. Are you here, Zeus?
Makes way more sense when you can.
I'm so tired. I can't even see the letters right
No,
now.
it's in the chat.
Oh. Zeus. Are you here, Zeus? 1126. Zeus. Are you here? I'll give a couple more minutes, second. I think we only got like next. Pilong 9630. Pilong. PLONG 9630. God is great. I agree. Pilong 9630. Pilong. Pilong, are you here? Pilong? He's here?
Yeah.
Okay. What the hell is this? Stock Capital? STOIC Capital? STOIC Capital?
Yeah, he's here.
He's here? Congratulations. Faux Flows 05. Faux Flows 05. Faux Flows. Faux Flows 05. Faux Flows. Faux Flows 05.
No, full flow's here.
He's here? Congratulations. All right. Congratulations. Augustoro 7911. Augustoro. Augustoro 7911.
Yeah.
Here?
Yep.
Good job. I forgot. Was that 7? I don't even know how we have here. Augustoro. Congratulations. EMM 7914. There you go. You finally won. EMM 7914. EMM. Go make the light. EMM. Are you here, EMM? 7914. He's here. How many's that left? I don't even know. 2 more? I don't even know. Look at this gold. New highs. Lunari FPS. Lunari. LUNARI FPS. Are you here? Lunari. Last one. Lunari's. Congratulations. All right, everybody. I want to thank Denny. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank My Funded Futures for being here and sponsoring tonight. God bless you. It's freezing here in Florida. That's why I got this on. Again, trading gold and silver. Obviously, you see the movement here. It's been kind of quiet. Look, I was about to say short the gold. It just dropped 10, like nothing. All right. Again, it's an honor and a privilege to be here. I want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you, Jennifer, for helping me. Look at this gold just dropped 18. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night, 8 to 10. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Look at this gold. Oh, my God.